Hello everybody, we got something exciting for you today. It's cold here in Texas, fixing to get a whole lot colder, but we're going to be cooking us some steaks. Folks, we're cooking them over live fire out on the campfire. To give you an example of that, I got a new grill here I want to show you. Right here. Grill. All right, MMMUSA.com. They sent this out to me. We're going to give it a try. This is 304 stainless steel. I'll tell you more about it later on. But a beautiful, beautiful heavy-duty grill. I've got some fantastic New York strip steaks. We're going to cook these as if we were down at the campsite, guys. That's the way we're going to do it tonight. We're here in the backyard, but I tell you what, it has been snow everywhere. You can probably still see a little bit in the background. I'm going to give you some pictures of what my place looked like yesterday and the day before. Pretty cold. Tonight, we got another round coming in. It's supposed to get snow tonight and tomorrow. But I thought I'd get this shot before it got really nasty again. And we're supposed to have some ice out because this is melting and it's going to be terrible tomorrow. So, hey, stick around. Let me show you how to grill up some fantastic New York strip steaks on my new grill over the campfire. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine, and I am Chef Johnny. We are fixing to get out some beautiful New York strip steaks. Get those seasoned up. Got a little Cosmos cow cover hot and some Texas beef going to go on them. And we're going to throw them on this grill I was showing you a while ago. But guys, I'm excited about getting it. We're going to give it a try. There's going to be a discount code for it. I'll put it, maybe a banner down here and put it down in the description box. You get you a little discount if you want to pick one of these up. But hey, thanks for stopping by. Come in here close. Let's see how we season these up, how we get them on the fire, and how those steaks turn out using this brand new griddle and our Cosmos cow cover hot in Texas beef. Wife picked up these New York strips. They're just a loin steak. If you don't know the difference between a New York strip and a Kansas City strip, stick around, I'll tell you in a minute. It's gonna lay each one of these little loin steaks out here. These aren't going to take long to cook at all. That fire's going to be good and hot. 8-10 minutes, maybe less. They're going to be done. What I'm going to season them with today, right here, we're going to start with our hot cow cover and then come on with some Texas beef on top of that. Great combination on steaks. Pop this open. And like I said, you can probably see now, you can really tell that wind's blowing. See if I can block it a little bit. Hot cow cover. Back with a layer of Texas beef on top of that. And of course, guys, hey, great grill. Season them how you want to. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Never anything wrong with that. I'm going to slide that around on here a little bit. Pick up some of that seasoning I dropped over on the side so it don't go to waste, right? Pick up your sides of your steak, put them on there, see if you can get some, turn it over. There we go. A little closer together so I don't spill so much on the tray. Again, cow cover. Hot cow cover. If you don't like too much bite on your seasoning, guys, hey, go with regular cow cover. It's great. We like the spice down here, but these things are just packed with flavor when you get that hot cow cover. And so I think it gives it just the right kick. I'm going to set it here. I'm going to let these get seasoned, let them start sweating up some. Whenever that tray is good and hot over there, that griddle, we're going to go over there and drop these steaks on it. Before I get this all set up, I want to show you all a little bit. Let me sit that griddle on my foot. It's kind of muddy out here. I don't want to get that, but you got, looks like 5/8 inch 304 stainless steel, grooved. And the reason it's grooved is so that griddle will hang on it because it hangs sideways. Now, a lot of people, when they set this up, they're doing this on the sides with these ears, right? This way. I live in a real sandy area, and I'm scared that the weight is going to try to pull them forward, so I'm putting them in like this, all right? These ears are going to help them stay up, stabilize themselves. If I was going to say anything, and once we use it, we'll find out it's maybe a little bit taller so you can drive them further in the ground. But on hard ground, I know they're going to be plenty good. This soft ground here I've got, we're going to find out. But I tell you what, they're darn sure built heavy duty. So we'll see exactly by the end of the cook. I'll tell you, should these been in 6 inches longer, all right, or not? Oh, we're gonna know here real quick, but let's look at these steaks and see how they're turning out. You can see you got a pretty good fire. I'm gonna give me a little bit extra oil right there. And guys, I'm gonna drop on and grill me some onions right here. Drop that on there. That one's on there. Then I'm gonna come in with some jalapenos. And we are gonna sear off those jalapenos good and have those with our steaks tonight. These peppers are, look at them. Ooh, yeah, getting black on that side. Let's flip them all over. Let's move this to where it's a little bit hotter. So we get those roasted. That griddle is gonna be nice and hot for our steaks. Let's see if we can pick up our onion, flip it over. There we go. Man, this is gonna be a good one. Great birthday meal for my son, and considering it's getting colder and colder by the minute, he better be appreciating it. Well, I tell you, fire's going. It's pretty warm right here. Temperatures dropped. You can see I've gone from having on just my vest in my base layer to having on my hard scrabble jacket also, guys. The temperature's dropping. I told y'all we had another front coming this way, getting down to like 20 tonight. Maybe they said upper teens. Supposed to have more snow tonight and tomorrow. Here we go, guys. Gonna get a steak on there. Let's see here. I won't put it right there. Woo, man, let's have sizzle. All right, give them about 3 minutes. We'll give them a flip. Grilled onion, fresh steaks on the campfire. Guys, it's just hard to beat this right here. I wish I'd have beat that wind though. Boy, you can tell that wind's huffing. I could make a little windbreak, I guess, to help out some, but it's gonna be all right. Let's talk about this snow situation a little bit. Y'all can see some of the pictures of place here in front of where I was standing just a minute ago. But guys, it dropped to 9 degrees. I think I remember it once in my life being in the single digits before here in Texas, or in this part of Texas. Been in it up north, but not South Texas. So chill factor was -8, so it was pretty chilly. Had snowed most of the night, and y'all can see this place was a winter wonderland for us. Everybody up north is probably laughing at us, but guys, we really are not prepared for what this is. But y'all can see it. Here you go, guys, looking out the front door. Can y'all see that snow coming down? That is what it is like. You can really see it right there by that, where's the tree? There we go. You can see how much snow is coming down, but that's pretty hard. It's supposed to snow all day today. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the snow pictures there. We're gonna get back to these steaks and see how they're turning out. We're about 2 minutes in, so let's flip these over. Oh yeah, got some pretty color. Look at that, man. That looks pretty. Let's flip this one. It's a little cooler on that side. Those may not be quite as done. They look all right. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. Oh yeah, that's gonna need some more cooking, but we got 2 minutes on that side. All right, let's get these steaks off. Man, those are looking pretty. Turn her up, get my tongs. We'll get these onions off. Jalapenos. Oh, there you go. One handicap. Well, guys, these steaks turned out looking pretty good, and it's getting chilly. Got my jacket on, layered up. I'm learning about this layering. These guys are just in time for this cold Arctic blast that hit Texas. A lot of people without power. I'm fortunate. I have had my electricity. We just lost water. Our rural water system went out. So we've pumped some water in here. I got a well, using some well water. Got some well water from my sister at home in Lytle. They have water there. So anyways, we're doing fine. We're a little chilly tonight. The temperature's dropping again, but these steaks are looking good. I'm gonna try to slice one up here. We'll take a little sample, let you see what you think about it, and then we'll get them inside and feed them to the family, see what they think about it. These New York strips look pretty. Turned out all right. We're gonna slice one, see how I cooked it. Well, looks like I got them all the way to medium on that end. Got them on there a little too long, guys. They are all medium. My mother-in-law is not gonna be happy with me. Medium. A little bit pink on that one. My wife is gonna be very happy, but I've just overcooked 4 steaks. First time I cooked them like that out on over the fire in a while. But I bet you they still taste good. Let's slice this baby up and see how it turned out. Yep, medium. On the way to medium well. Well guys, there you have it. Even a professional gets it wrong sometimes. But they look pretty. Went 3 minutes on each side, plus a little extra on the side for those that were over the hottest part of the fire. And should have went 2 minutes on each side. But they're still moist. They didn't cook all the moisture out of them. Great flavor. Let me tell you. I like that kick. I like that kick from the hot cow cover, guys. Texas beef on top of that adds a lot to it. But great New York strips. And I told you I'd tell the difference between a New York strip and a Kansas City strip. Guys, it's the bone. Kansas City has the bone. The New York strip does not have the bone. That's the only difference in those 2 loin steaks. But hey, these came out great. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you check out that new grill. Put a link below for them with the discount code so you can get a little break on the price there. And when you go see them, go to their website. Tell them Chef Johnny sent you over there from Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. Remember to share this video. Tell your friends and family about us. And we're going to see y'all down the road. Goodbye, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.